it doesn't even come on. But that's okay. We'll figure it out.
Oh, we were thinking the last time. That's like two of them. And then we dropped to 40. So you can go back and forward. I will be getting ready.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
So
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. This is John. This is John with Cold Air, and we're here at Mr. Santiago's house. He has no heat, so we're going to try to figure out what's going on with the system. Right now, the system is telling us that it's in a call for, that it's in normal operation, but nothing's happening. So what we're going to do is try to figure out what the heck is going on. Usually you can go to the control board, and the control board will give you an LED light showing you that it's on and it's operating. And you can see this LED. So we got an LED just saying I'm in normal operation. We're going to what you have to excuse me for a minute. Oh, Johnny, this is a new camera for me, so I'm trying to figure out. So we'll start to do some tests. We want to test the voltage to make sure we're getting voltage in a call for heat. I'm hoping that you can see what I'm doing. And we want to check on the thermostat. See if the thermostat is calling. So you go from common to white or W on your control board. You see if your voltage is there. Got no voltage on from there. So what we do, the easiest way is we can take the jumper wire. But before that, let me check power and see if it's going somewhere it's not supposed to go. Nope. So now that we jump the system out, system comes right on. So this leads me to understand that the problem is the thermostat. So we jump from R to W. R to W on your thermostat is for your heating mode. We jump, the draft inducer comes on. Secondly, your igniter comes on after it's proven that there's a draft. Then your gas valve will open. Gas valve opens, and once your gas valve opens, a few minutes later after it heats up, then your blower should come on. So Mr. Santiago was kind enough to allow us to videotape what's going on in here. So we're videotaping to see what we can figure out. And we already know that our main issue is the thermostat. So our next step is to go up to the thermostat. And what we did down here, which was jump it out, we do the same thing up there to double check and verify. You always want to double check and verify that the issues that you're having and the thing that you figured out is actually the issue. So we don't need the meter, nor do we need the nut driver. We need a small circle wire. Let's head up to the thermostat. Head up to the thermostat and see what we can find. Thermostat, when we was up here earlier, notice that the thermostat is very, very loose. So there is our issue. The thermostat's not making contact, good connections, and with the thermostat not making good connections, it will not operate. Let's go back down here. We have that on there and check and see if we came up with Not gonna call picking up yet. Not yet. So we're gonna check again. You good this morning? Takes a minute and you remove the power from it for it to operate. So we know that problem is that thermostat. And so let's take the thermostat back off. Did that just kick on? So, thermostat is the problem. As soon as we jumped it up here, the unit came right on. The unit came right on as soon as we jumped it up. So our problem is